We all live journey of souls and travel the world and our lives in the spaces and places we go. If you happen to end up here at Rapid Ibogaine Detox, I want you to know that the name itself is a misnomer, as we treat other patients, clients as well. And they do not just have to be drug addicts or suffering from PTSD and or depression. We have opened up our facility to help hospice care patients who are transitioning from this world into another, and giving them space and opportunity to share their life stories, to explore any potential fears they may have, to create a visual, hypnotic layout for that being into the future as he or she transitions into another realm. We provide peace and comfort and laughter and joy and sharing in the passing days that we have together. So we welcome you for that. And also, even if you're not going to be getting Ibogaine or 5-MeO DMT, but you are looking for a recovery center, a recovery clinic that isn't the typical American-based style, based on the 12-step program, nothing wrong with the 12-step program, AA and NA. If you want to go to a treatment center that is focused on that and sit down for 8-9 hours a day, reading the big book and the 12 steps and Narcotics Anonymous, and then, hi, I'm Lily, I'm an alcoholic, and hi, I'm Brian, I'm an alcoholic, and hi, I'm Richard, and I'm an alcoholic, and hi, I'm Layla, and I'm an alcoholic and an addict. And if you want to do that and hear those stories over and over again, and that's what keeps you sober, that's great. It worked for me my first year. I'm coming up on 19 years of being sober. I was a severe alcoholic. It worked for me. And I went the first year and a half. And then I didn't go anymore. I found peace and happiness and love and time to spend in other facets of life where I could manifest my ego creations, because it opened up time and space to do other things. So that said, if you would like to use this facility as a recovery center, you are more than welcome. And we can tailor the activities, therapies, group interactions, excursions, depending on how many people are here. We can tailor it uniquely to your or your plural needs. Now, you can stay at this facility depending upon how many Ibogaine treatments are being done at any given time, for a month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, possibly up to a year. Again, it depends on how many treatments are being done and how many rooms we need for that. But I want to add one more thing, that we do now have a satellite extension building that is about 5 blocks away from the clinic center. So for those who want to do Ibogaine and have a sanctuary place to stay that is close by to the clinic, but not be like within the clinic vibes, alcoholism, drug addiction, trauma and PTSD, being on death's bed, these are all vibrations that are very low. They're in a space that is different from when one is actually living life, daily basis, activities and work and laughter and happy. I mean, that these are a crew of people, even though their situations are different, the journey of souls and what they're experiencing on the inside is so similar that it just makes sense to invite those who are seeking out hospice care, as well as for Ibogaine, 5-MeO, DMT, addiction, trauma, and for sober living. We welcome you and Prices are negotiable depending on your individual situation, so please give us a call at 619-830-0982 or 213-900-5535. Ask for Lily and or for Carlos.